guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz. Today we've got a clog review and an unboxing for you. We've got the SALEHE BEMBURY POLLEX clogs. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. We can't do this without you, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the SALEHE BEMBURY POLLEX clog from CROCS and SALEHE BEMBURY in the Niagara colorway. And we got this in the UK size 6, it's European 39 to 40, and it's a US men's 7. So we've got the latest rendition of SALEHE BEMBURY's collaboration with CROCS and the POLLEX clog, and these released on the same time as the slides. And well, it only came in one color, and this color is known as Niagara. And I mean, if you were to see it, I guess you can see the similarities in color with that in Niagara Falls, that is in Canada. I've never been, but from what I've seen in the pictures, it's a similar tone. So let's go unboxing. Here they are. It's more grey than waterfall blue. There you go. It's not pure blue as it should be. And here they are. Another one of SALEHE BEMBURY's POLLEX clogs. So we'll look into all the details right now for you, and we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is a mixture of two materials. So you can see with the different tones shown here that you can see two different parts, and right here where it's a bit darker, that's made out of rubber. Obviously that's there for the traction, and the patterning of the whole clog itself is shaped after an amalgamation of SALEHE BEMBURY's thumbprint and his fingerprint. And you can see where it isn't rubber, it's the CROCS EVA, or the foam that's used to make CROCS. So we move on to the midsole and well, the upper, and it's all around, it's the same foam that makes the CROCS. And you can see from the toe, if you look at the toe right there, from where the rubber is at the outsole, it extends to the top. So it's just there for your traction. Really dope feature. And you know, instead of your normal sport mode, you move it across and onto the top just to easily get your feet in. It's not really a mule system where you can just slip your feet in. It's quite kind of closed off the heel here, but in order to get different tightness, different kind of fit, you got this adjustable strap at the back here. It's nylon, and you got the CROCS SALEHE BEMBURY logo right there for you. The inner, so like a lot of CROCS, they have like an orthopedic beading in. It's really comfortable, so you have to take my word. Guys, I wasn't a believer in CROCS a long time ago, but here I am, right here before you, and we've done so many CROCS reviews in the past, and which include a lot of SALEHE BEMBURYs. And SALEHE, if you're watching, you know that you are. Big shout out to you, one of my favourite designers, and again, knocked out of the park with another pair of CROCS. So all that said, unfortunately these aren't my size. We were lent these from a good friend of mine, and so I'm not going to try to design because I know the sizing of the CROCS POLLEX clog. So in regards to sizing, if you know your CROCS size, go a size down, and you should be good as gravy, and you'll be happy sailing right there. If I know these sell out really quick, but if you're able to get a pair in the size below to what you usually wear for CROCS. So we're going to do some magic for you. We'll show you some different 360s, B-roll footage, and all that jazz. I'm going to close it out here. So remember to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, guys, peace.